guys, Dirtbike Hooligan here. Welcome back to the Pit Bike Adventures. This is episode 4. Today I'll be doing a top speed run and a adventure around Park Island, since my last one was weak. Looks like there's quite a few people here today as well. Oh yeah, there's lots of people there. Sorry about that, guys. I was going to go through Park Island and stuff, but there's so many sports games going on, so I just, I might just leave them alone. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do a top speed test requested by you guys. Well, more specifically requested by Rabbit on Dex. So yeah, to see how fast I can get this thing to go. So I've got my phone here with GPS. So let's go. So I'm not sure if you guys saw that, but I got to 70 kilometers per hour, which is pretty fast for a 125 like this. This is not staying on my arm. It's so annoying. Oh well. So, this bike reached 70 kilometers per hour, which is surprising. I thought it would only reach about 50-ish, if not 40 kilometers per hour. So that's a bit of a surprise. But it was a bit of a fail today trying to get around Park Island. There normally isn't sports games at this time of day, in the afternoon. They're normally all in the morning. I want to try to get across this without getting stuck. Oh yeah, I think that'd be fine. Let's try it. Oh god, oh god. Okay. Sweet. Oh god, this is bumpy. Oh jeez. Well, I don't think this place collected as much water as this. Jesus Christ. Anyway, let's get a wheelie in. I haven't wheeled this bike for ages. What I normally do is I just dangle my legs. I think that actually brings up the balance point, but it's a good way to learn, start off wheeling, because you get to learn throttle control. do a donut. Woo! That was a pretty good one. Let's get one more wheel in. Okay guys, thank you for watching this episode. Hit that like button if you watched this far, or if you simply just enjoyed the video. Give me any tips, feel free to give me any hate comments or comments on how I could improve the videos. Hold on. Oh no. This can't be good. Danger, keep out. This is my crib, it's my area. Oh. So guys, thanks for watching and peace out.